You have to have a goal or at least a side hustle that you should be doing every day. Because if you are working in a job, you are just one layoff away from bankruptcy. To be honest, I have a few friends who've got a lot of responsibilities and they don't like their jobs. They are frustrated mentally, still, they are doing it because they are bound to pay their bills. They have taken the responsibilities which are even more than they are capable of, and which is why they stay stuck. To be honest, I also have this kind of feeling, but I avoid buying things or doing things which are like almost more than my budget. Or let's say if there's a property that I am interested in and it is of 40-50 lakhs, I will never buy it. I would rather stay on rent for a few years because I am still in the figuring out phase of my life. I have not become very comfortable in the life that I am living. This is why I am not confirming, or I would say I am not committing to something which I do not want to do. This is what people don't understand. They think that I am paying 20,000 rent, so why not get an EMI of 25,000? It's just 5,000 difference. No, it's not just 5,000 difference. It is the responsibility. And 20,000 rent, you can move anytime that you want to. You can switch places. But if you buy a house or something, you are bound to pay the EMIs for 15-20 years. And even if you do not like the place and if you want to sell that out, that is not going to work instantly. You have to understand that it takes time. It's not a liquid cash that you have. So instead, try doing some investment or do some mutual funds, stocks, and there are a lot more things where you can keep your capital as a cash flow, so that whenever you have a use of these things, you can simply get that amount and invest or do whatever you want to do. Understand this thing I learned from the books, and my library is rich. I was just hearing a podcast from Jim Rohn, where he was just talking about how important is it for a man to have a rich library. And it is truly important because if you have got enough books, that is for sure you are going to read it one day whenever you have time. And yeah, this is the simple message I wanted to share, that don't take liabilities on yourself more than you are capable of. Understand this fact and start investing as soon as possible and as much as possible. Thank you all for watching this, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.